Thank you. All right. We are at Six Flags Great Adventure for Jersey Devil Media Day. I am. This is ride number 4. I had 2 rides in row 11 and 1 ride in row 6. Very cool. As I said on the live stream, that you cannot compare it really to the other Raptors, because the other Raptors are much more aggressive. This is much more graceful. Very cool elements here. Very, very cool. Definitely a front row ride. Well worth coming out here to the park to ride it. Great addition for this park. Something they deserved for a long time. They did a really good job with the area around it and all the greenery and paving and stuff. So great addition.